Hello again. So I am going to be talking to you today about sheep. So sheep are a really great animal, and depending on where you live or your experiences, you may have seen sheep, right? They are a very common farm animal used for fiber. They have a great wool coat that actually should come off at a certain time so they're not itchy and doesn't entrap them. But they're also used for meat and just as much wonderful pets. However, they also are great research animals, and I'm going to tell you about why this large mammal is a great research animal today. So they are similar to humans in the terms of the physiology, and they suffer from diseases that affect us as well. They've been using in farming for many decades, like I've already said. And because of this, we know a lot about the sheep, okay? We know a significant information about their care, handling, welfare, and their behavior, all right? And having all of this knowledge not only helps take care of them well as farm animals or as pets or as research animals, it helps us be able to apply knowledge to help them and to help us, and finally to help other species out there. So one of the things is they have a shorter gestation period than humans. Human gestation period, 9 months until that baby is born. The sheep gestation period is shorter. However, when that lamb is born, it is a similar weight to human babies. So less gestation, but similar weight and some characteristics of a human baby. All right, so we take that. It makes them a really great model to study development and genetics. So they also live much longer than that average rat or mouse you may see in research, and it lets us to study diseases that you could see in adult lives. Not only adult human lives, but also adult sheep life. All right, they do get neurodegenerative diseases such as Huntington's. So give you some examples. A lot of people know Dolly. Dolly was a Dorset lamb that was born after a 148-day gestation period in 1996. This lamb was a very famous lamb, which is why I said her name right at the beginning. She was the first mammal cloned from an adult cell. And despite some controversy, the benefits of animal cloning could be enormous. And since 1996, it regularly comes up in news articles and videos about, should we bring the woolly mammoth back? What about this animal? What about this? Also, sheep are used extensively in veterinary research, studies of the digestion in ruminants, and research on the impact of farming on the environment. Sheep have also been used in heart valve research. And research with sheep have led researchers to perfect and implant the arteriovenous shunt. What is this? This is a device that allows patients with kidney failure to be connected to a dialysis machine for long-term treatment. Do you know anyone that has kidney issues, maybe on dialysis? Do they have this shunt? That shunt was made in sheep. Isn't that amazing? Sheep have also been used in the development and testing of a device that assists your lung function. So lung function in infants can be a problem, especially if they're born just a little bit earlier. So they have used research in sheep where this model helps develop lungs soon after birth and helps us help these infants not go into respiratory issues. Also, they've been used to develop techniques for fetal heart surgery. And has anyone ever heard of the artificial womb or biobag? Google it. It's actually local to me. Children's Hospital of Philadelphia has actually been helping develop an artificial womb so that human babies born too early can live in this contained womb that is fake versus an incubator. The difference between this artificial womb and an incubator is the artificial womb is sealed just like the mother's belly, but also that baby will continue to use a placenta connection and will continue to get all the food and nutrition it needs. So it actually stay in this artificial womb until 9 months, fully developed, and then be born. So a lot of times babies in incubators do well, obviously, because it's been many years and has helped so many families. But sometimes there's issues with the baby itself being exposed to maybe a sickness or not being able to maintain its own body parameters. And this is where Children's Hospital of Philadelphia is seeking to use that artificial womb. It's been used, and they've shared videos and reports on this to the public over the last 5+ years. So that's why I encourage you to search it. And it's amazing to see these babies grow and develop. So the sheep are an amazing animal. They are not just a great pet. They're not just a great farm animal. They don't just make great wool clothes. Sorry, I don't have wool on today. But they are also an essential partner with humans for research to better not only humans, but also the sheep themselves and agriculture and the world as a whole. I hope you enjoyed this segment. Have a great day. Bye.